Seen.
Shin,
Not seen. Seen. This one, the first one.
Shin,
Sheen. Say like it.
Shin, Sad, Dad,
Sod.
Sad,
Yeah.
Dad, Da,
O.
Da,
Vo.
Ra, Ain, Ain, Fa, Kha,
No,
Ka,
no. This is Ain and this one.
Ghain,
Oin. Say like it.
Ghain, Fa, Qaf, Kaf, Lam, Mim,
Lam.
Lam, Mim, Nun, Waw, Ha, Hamza,
Hamza. No. Hamza. Za.
Hamza, Ya, Ya,
Yaw not. It's not yaw. Ya. In
Ya,
English, what we say when we want to say okay. Yeah, 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 yeah. Okay. This is what ya and ya.
Ya, Ya,
Yeah. Next.
Alif, Lam, Alif, Lam, Alif, Ba, Alif,
Not bo. Okay. Ba. Not.
Ba, Alif,
Yeah. Ba alif.
Ba, Alif, Lam, Alif, Lam, Lam,
Lam.
Lam, Lam, Alif, Lam, Ha,
Lam ha.
Lam, Ha,
Wait a minute. If I put dot in the mid of ha, then no, now
Lam, Jim,
lam jim not. It's jim.
Jim,
When I put this dot on top here. So
Kha,
now read from the beginning. Complete letter.
Alif,
No, this one completely.
um,
Wait.
Lam, Ha,
Ha not now dot.
Lam, Ha,
Lam kho. Kho.
Lam, Ha,
Don't say quickly. Lam kho not. Lam kho.
Lam,
Kho.
Ha,
Kho.
Ha,
Yeah, good. Then
Lam, Alif,
good.
Ba,
Bo
Lam, Ba,
not. Don't make it bold.
Ba, Lam, Ba,
Ba lam ba.
Ba, Lam, Ba, L, L,
Think. This is what?
Kaf,
Yeah, stretch it. I told you
Kaf,
both are calf, okay?
Kaf,
Calf. In the end
Kaf,
of calf, feel far
like
sound, okay? Calf.
Kaf,
Calf.
Kaf,
Yeah, then
Kaf,
yeah,
Ba,
both both are calf, okay?
okay,
With the two different shapes.
Kaf, Ba,
Bo not calf ba. See?
Kaf, Ba,
Yeah,
Kaf,
next one.
Ba,
Yeah, calf ba. Then
Kaf, Ba, Kaf, Alif,
calf alif.
Kaf, Alif,
Again.
Kaf Alif.
Dot.
Ba Kaf Ta.
Don't.
Ba Kaf Ta. Dal
Ta.
Kaf
Ta. This is ta.
Ta. Kaf Fa.
Then
Ba
what?
Ta.
What is it?
Ba Ba.
Yeah. Ba.
Fa. Fa. Nun. Ya. Ba Alif.
Ba not. Ba alif.
Ba Alif. Nun Alif. Ta Alif. Ya Alif. Fa Alif. Nun Ba
You
Sin.
have noon have one dot on top. Okay. If I remove this dot and I put here, so now it will be what?
Nun
Yeah.
Ba.
Noon and this letter.
Nun Sin.
Yeah. Then
mm, Ta
no
Sin.
no. Now it's what?
I Ta Sin.
It's the dots on top. Okay.
Yasin.
Dot in down in bottom, so it will be Yasin.
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 Yeah. Next one.
Nun sin.
Noon
Ta.
sin.
Nun sin. Ta sin. Sa sin.
Dot.
Sin jim.
No, this is not sin. With three dots. Which letter is this?
Mm, mm, Sa sin. Jim.
This one.
Ta jim.
Yeah, three dots on Sa, not on Jim, okay?
Sa jim.
Yeah,
Ta ha.
yeah, Taha. Is it our lesson?
Yes.
Just till here. Can you read this one?
Mm, Nun.
Yeah.
Nun ha.
Ha with not come with dot.
Ha.
Ha not. Bold it. Kho.
Ha.
Noon kho.
Nun ha. Ya.
Yeah, yo not. Yeah. Say simple.
Ya.
Yeah.
Ya ha.
Then
Ba jim.
ba jim.
Ba jim.
Yeah, restart quickly. So we will go to the next chapter. Yeah. Bajim then.
Ya mim.
You're not. I told you. Yeah. Say.
Ya
Yeah.
mim. Ba. Ba mim. Mm, Nun mim. Ta mim. Fa mim.
Then one dot in down. Which letter is this?
Ba.
Ba.
Baya.
Yeah, good. Ba, yeah. Then two dots in down.
Ya. Ya.
Yeah, yeah, good.
Ya, ya. No. Nun. Ya. Ya.
Noon, yeah, then good.
Nun ya. Ta ya. Sa ya.
Noon, yeah, ta, yeah, ta,
Mm,
yeah.
Nun. Ba. Lam. Nun ba lam.
Noon, ba, lam.
Nun ba lam. Mm, Ta nun.
Noon, lam.
Talun. Tanun lam.
Yeah. These all Baya, Yaya, Nunya, Taya, Saya. Got it?
Okay.
Baya,
Taya.
two dots down, not on top.
Ya. Ya, ya.
Yaya, yeah, good.
Nunya.
Good.
Taya.
Taya,
Saya.
saw not. Sa, right?
Saya.
Read it lightly, okay? Your
Saya.
your front of tongue will touch front teeth side.
Saya.
Then
Nun balam.
noon, ba, lam.
Nun balam. Ta nun lam.
Ta, noon, lam.
Ta nun lam.
Ta, noon, lam. Just say lam.
Nun lam. Mm, Ba. Ba.
Yeah.
Ta lam.
No, no. Why
Ba.
forgetting?
Ta la.
Listen,
Ba
listen, listen.
lam.
I told you short form dots on top. It's called,
Ta.
yeah, dots in down. It's,
I. Ya.
yeah, okay. So
Ba.
don't make
Ya lam.
ba, ya, lam, yeah, then
Ya. Ya lam.
no. Yeah, then there is three letters. Yeah, and then
Ta.
yeah, ta, good,
Lam.
good. Then
Sa. Ta. Sa. Ta.
sa, then again,
Lam.
say it again. Sa, the
Ta.
fa,
Ta.
sa.
Lam.
Good, good. Quick, quick. Next one.
Nun. Ba. Nun.
Good.
Ba. Nun. Nun.
Ba, noon, noon.
Ba. Nun. Nun.
Then
Ta. Ya. Nun.
yeah,
Ya. Ta. Nun.
then
Ta. Ta. Nun.
yeah.
Jim. Ha. Ha.
G stretch.
Jim.
Ha,
Ha.
yeah.
Ha.
Kha not, kha not. Ho. Bold it.
Ha.
Ho.
Ha. Mm. Ha. Sa.
Then
Mm. Sa. Ha. Sa. Ba. Jim. Ta.
good.
Ta. Ha. Ta.
Ta, ha, ta.
Ta. Ha. Ta.
Yeah, then.
Ya, jim, ba, mm,
Yeah, then
ba,
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 ba, yeah,
ba, ba, kha,
yeah,
ta,
ba, kota,
ba, kha, ta,
yeah.
ta, ha, ba, ta, ba, kha, lam,
What?
ha, ta, ha,
What? Yeah, Jimba,
ya, jim, ba,
then,
ba, kha, ta,
yeah,
ta, ha, ba, ha,
ba, this is two dot.
ta,
Like it, yeah,
ta,
ba, ta.
ta, ba, ta,
Yeah, look at this.
ta,
Look at this. I draw here this letter. What is it?
ha,
Ha. If you put two dots on top, so
ta.
it will convert with ta. Okay, this is also shape of ta. Okay, if
Mhm.
you remove these two dots, so it will be
Ha,
ha. Yeah. What is it?
ta, ha,
No, two dots down. Two dots.
ya, ha, ya, ha,
Yeah, don't forget. Then quick.
ta, ha,
Ta ha. Good. Quick.
nun, ta,
Good. Then
ha,
yeah.
ham,
No,
ha,
this one.
ha,
No, two dots
ya,
down.
ya,
Yeah.
ya, 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 haba,
Yeah, haba.
ya, haba,
Yeah, haba.
ya, haba,
Next one.
ba,
Yeah.
ha,
Yeah.
alif,
Good. Then
ba,
yeah.
ha, mim,
Then
dal,
dal. Stretch.
dal, zal,
Then this one. Next.
jim, dal,
Good.
ha, zal,
Dal.
ha, zal,
Again.
ra,
Next. What?
ra, ra,
Good.
za, jim, ra, ha, ha, ra,
Oh,
ha, hada,
yeah, this one. Khaza. Okay.
hada,
You are joining, then the shape little bit change. Khaza.
hada,
Yeah. Next one.
ra, za,
Bold. Raw.
ra, za, ta,
Two.
ra,
What? Two dots down.
ya, ra,
Two
ta,
dots up.
za, sin, shin,
Seen. Read it separately. Don't join. Seen.
sin, shin, shin, lam,
No. This one. This one. What is it? Without dot. Wha- Seen.
shin,
Seen.
sin,
Seen. Lam.
sin, lam,
Next one.
shin, la, lam,
Good.
ضاد
This first one first. No,
ضاد
no. Without dot, sound is different.
صاد
Yeah, don't forget. Sod.
صاد
Sod.
صاد
I told you SAW sound. In starting, it will exit. The sound will exit from your mouth. Saw. Okay? From saw. Sod.
صاد
Yeah, good. Then,
ضاد
yeah, good. Then,
تا
no. Ta come with two dots. It will read bold. Ta, this one. Look at this with two dots.
تا
This one is ta with two dots. And is it ta? This
no
this is bold. Read it again.
تا
Oh.
تا
Did you
za
did you did you hear the difference between ta and ta?
yes
Yeah, this is ta, okay, with two dots. And this one is ta.
ta
Yeah,
za
yeah. Then
صاد
good.
mm, ba
Ta not ta. Bold.
ba
Ta. Yeah, say three times ta.
ba
Ta. Again.
ba
Ta.
ba
Next one.
da تالف ذا ذا
Yeah.
ألف
Za alif.
ذا
Za.
ألف
Vad alif.
ضاد ألف
Yeah, this is Vad and this one is Za alif. Za.
ألف
Za alif.
ذا ألف
Next.
عين غاين
Ghain.
غين همزة
Hamza, not Hamza.
همزة
In the end of Hamza, Za and Ha sound will read. Za.
ذا
Za.
ذا
Hamza.
همزة
Yeah, then
همزة
not
ذا
Hamza. Hamza not joining like it. This is Ain, okay?
عين
Ain, and then next letter.
ذا
Ain, Za.
عين ذا
Hamza not joining like it, okay? Hamza coming with this form, okay? Alif and on top of Alif, Hamza. It's called Hamza. Now next one, when it will join.
ال- غين را
Yeah, then
داد
this one, this. Wait, what is it?
صاد
So this one is,
صاد
yeah, I told you, look at this. This is Ba, and this one is what?
تا
And this one is three dots on
تا
top.
آ
Tha.
آ
This is short form. This is short form of Ta, and this one is short form of Tha. Okay, we are cutting their tails in short form. Okay, their tails in short form. Got it? And this is sod, okay, and this is short form of sod, and this is zod, and this one is
Short form.
short form of zod, okay, so don't forget. Next one is, this is sod, what?
Son.
Sod, and read it, sod.
La.
No, lam not come like it. Lam, this one lam, complete lam, and short form of lam like it, okay? And this is what?
Ayin.
Ain. When ain will join with the another letter like sod, like ba, so the shape will change little bit. This is what? Ain. Sod,
I. Dad.
sod,
Ayin.
sod, ain. When it will come in the end, the shape will like it. Okay?
Okay.
And next one is
Mm, dot.
Zod. Quick, quick.
Ayin.
Zod, ghain. Yeah, good. Then,
Dot. Guy. Ayin. Ba. Ayin. Dad.
yeah, this is the mid shape of ain. Okay? When it will come in the end, then shape will like it in this letter. And when it will come in mid, then ain shape will change little bit. Okay? Just remember the shapes of letters. Now, the next one.
Ta. I. Ayin. Zal.
Yeah, when you put dot on ain, so it will convert with ghain. Okay? Yeah, now recite this one. Quick.
Alif.
No, no. Read the first letter
Ham.
first.
Hamza. Alif.
Yeah, then quick.
Hamza. Waw.
Yeah.
Hamza. Ya.
Hamza, ya.
Hamza. Ya. Fa. Kha.
Huh? Kha not. What is it?
Kha.
Kha, this one I'm drawing. What is it?
Kha.
And then this one.
Kha.
Qaf.
Qaf.
Recognize the letters and shapes and memorize and make in your mind. Okay? Letters, sound, and shapes. This is what? Qaf.
Qaf.
Let me draw for you. This is Qaf, okay? And this is short form of Qaf. Got it? Just
Yes.
we cut uh, the tail of this letter or tummy of this letter, okay? Round, round, round of this letter, okay? And fa, complete fa, this one. And short fa, this one, okay? And I told you this is what? Read it. Hello? The first
Ha.
letter, ha, then next dot on top,
Qa.
next one.
Jim.
Yeah, there is what? This is short form of ha, okay?
Mhm.
And short form of ha. And this one is
Jim.
Jim dot come in down, okay? When it will write short, okay?
Mhm.
This, look at this now. This is kha, okay? Short form of kha. When it will write or draw shortly, then dot will come in down, okay, in
Mhm.
bottom, and
Mhm.
top dot is showing this is kha, okay.
Mhm.
Yeah, next one, this one read
Mm.
Hamza,
Hamza, well,
then
ya, Hamza, ya,
yeah, then
fa,
yeah, then
qaf,
yeah, then
well,
wow,
well,
yeah, then
mm,
yeah, yeah, quick. Two dots on top and look at the shape, same
mm,
like the previous shape. See the upper,
qaf,
see the upper line. Yeah, off.
qaf, well,
Yeah, this is short form of cough. Okay, green in green color. Next one.
mm, fa, well,
Go quick, quick. Complete the page.
fa, fata,
No,
lam,
look at the shape. This is round. What is it? What is it?
kha,
No, ha not. I told you. I draw for you. This is ha.
ta,
Cough, cough.
qaf,
Yeah, cough. Look at this cough. When you draw in the mid, okay, the shape will be like it, okay, and when you draw in first, this is first shape of cough, when it will come in start, okay, and when it will draw separately, then the shape is like it. Got it?
mhm,
This is, look at this, this is mid shape, this is first shape, and this is what, separately shape. Got it?
mhm.
Letter is cough. Now read it again.
Fa, qaf, lam,
Yeah.
qaf, fa, lam,
Yeah. Look at this is fa, okay? This is round shape. Fa and dot on top. This is called fa. And shape is round and two dots on top. So it will be cough. Consider. Now recite the next one.
ya, fa,
Yeah. Then good.
mim, mim,
Meme. Stretch it.
mim,
Yeah. Yeah.
mim,
With the another shape of meme you can read. Okay. Now recite the next one.
ha, mim, la, mim, da, mim,
Oh, not ta. This one is
da,
ta. I'm
mim,
drawing. Oh, yeah. This is ta.
da, da,
Next,
mim,
next one.
da, da,
Ta.
mim, da,
Ta. Ta. Meme ta.
da, mim, da.
Yeah. Good. We will read the next chapter, inshallah, tomorrow. Now we are going to recite Surah Al-Fatiha. Okay. Recite with me. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم
طانر الرجيم. بولد الراء.
الرجيم
الرجيم.
الرجيم
طانر
الرجيم
رجيم. Ra will read quickly.
الرجيم
Yeah. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Yeah. This is what Surah Al-Fatiha. In every prayer and in every rak'ah of prayer, this surah will read, okay? Must, necessary. Just 1.5 minutes remaining, okay? I'm reciting quickly and follow me. الحمد لله رب العالمين.
Rabbil
الحمد لله
Alhamdulillahi
رب العالمين.
Rabbil Alamin
رب العالمين.
Rabbil Alamin
الرحمن الرحيم.
Rahmanir-Rahim
الرحمن
Ar-Rahmanir-Rahim
الرحيم like بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Okay. الرحمن
Ar-Rahmanir-Rahim
الرحيم.
Ar-Rahim
مالك يوم الدين.
Maliki Yawmiddin
مالك
Maliki
يوم الدين.
Yawmiddin
Good. إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين. Say إياك.
Iyaka
إياك. Feel in your
Iyaka
feel in your tongue vibration during reading. Yeah, okay. With tajdeed. This is called tajdeed on top.